Hi, welcome to A&M Manufacturing. Today we're going to be touring a Bulldog 50 that's still under construction. We're not finished with it just yet. However, a lot of potential clients have asked to get some pictures and some videos of this boat. So right now we're just going to do this. We're just nearing towards the end of the build. When this one will be fully done, it'll be located in Miami, and we'll do another video right on the water and demo the boat and do some more performance related videos. Now, as usual, we're just gonna take a walk around the boat and then we'll finish with the layout inside the boat. All right, follow me. All right, we'll start right here at the back of the vessel. As you can see, we have twin 250 Yamahas. Standard on this boat is twin 250 Suzuki's. Now, this client picked an upgrade for the Yamaha engines. So they're 250 horsepower, two of them. They are mounted on jack plates. The jack plates are standard. This is really helpful when you navigate next to sandbars, islands, reef, those kind of things. You can really lift your engines up. But as well, when the day is over, you want to really make sure that everything is above the water, not touching in the salt water. You're able to really clean and access everything. So that's what we install those. At the end of the day, we lift it up, sell the engine out, and that stays safe. Now, moving on, you'll see the really large plotter. This client requested to have a total of 5 of them. There's 2 in the front and 3 at the back. And on the side, for the springs, we have some really large cleats that are like this. Really nice big cleats used for some stake values. Coming around here, I'll show you one more thing. So, again, on our hulls, there's actually no intrusion below the waterline. This client wanted a pump out for his head on board, so with an electric macerator that will pump the black water out. This is the macerator located at the back. There'll be a skirt right here, so this is out of the elements. This will be your shut-off valve to show to the Coast Guard that you can open or close it, and it's, again, not inside the hull. This is all outside, and this is the outlet. Another thing for everyone to know, this is a catamaran style. What you see right here, this is the black water tank, and in front of it, the water tank, fresh water tank. 60 gallons for a holding tank for the fresh water, and 60 gallons for the black water tank. All right, let's go around right now, and I'll show you the side of the boat. This is going to be our new logo. I'm very proud to introduce it right here on this boat. It's going to be the first boat to wear it, and it's going to go on all of our other boats. Beautiful red, black, and our new website address that you guys can check out. You'll see this logo a bit everywhere around the waters across the US, hopefully. So come with me. We're going to just go around the boat quickly. Sunbrella fabric for the side rails, dive doors. Those cleats are going to be replaced by heavier duty cleats. Talking quickly about the waterline. To give you an idea, when we did the big wave survey, you can still see some of the markings right here. This is where the waterline actually is. So we draw about this fully loaded. Then this client requested to raise the bottom page up an extra 4 inches, but usually your bottom pane would end up right here and your waterline is right above here, and this is how much you draw a boat like this, fully loaded. We'll get some side gates. This is actually the cleats that are going to be mounted on here instead of the smaller ones. For the bigger boats, we usually mount those. LED nav lights mounted on the rails. They're still inboard, so if you hit anything, you're going to hit first the big heavy-duty rub rail. You know what I mean? It's the rails on the nav lights. Everything is protected inboard. Dive ladder right here. This is your rescue deck.
It goes.
2 large bod in the front. At least the plate boarding game. And right here we have flush mounted the floodlight. Alright, we're gonna get up on the deck and show you the layout. Come on board. Alright guys, welcome on board. We're gonna start to quickly tour the layout of the boat, and we'll finish with the helm. Come over here. Board. Right around the bow, this is full sun carrier seating with some dock box style sitting midship. This will be for client to store their belongings. We have 2 speakers inside the dock box right here. Bench on the side, and right here onto our rescue deck, bow platform. Dive ladder right here. A little fresh water rinse. This is great for if you're going to be beaching your boat. Your clients come on the boat, they're full of sand. They can quickly rinse off with some fresh water. Right here, we're gonna get under the hardtop roof. So this client's opted for a hardtop roof. This is a great option if you're gonna be carrying equipment like life floats, kayaks, paddleboards, that kind of thing. The ladder is at the back. This is only for the crew to get up on there and use it as storage. Well, it's also a great option if you want to keep your boat for a very long time. Keep everything that's underneath really well versus having some canvas cloths. Come over here, I'll show you 2 countertops right here with boarding gates on the other side. Really cool option. This client also decided to go with our wood finish countertops. For those 2 countertops, the table and the bar, this is not wood. This is an imitation wood that we built in-house. It looks just like the real thing, and very easy to maintain. This is fiberglass and gel coat, so you'll just maintain it as you would a normal hobby.
You like that?
So again, boarding gates on the other side. Some more dock boxes for storage. Large subwoofer. This particular client went with our sound system package with the GL audio. He just asked for the smaller tower speakers, not the usual large one. That's because where they work, they have a sound ordinance where they can't just be blasting music, so no need to go overkill. Just the smaller tower speakers are pretty nice, along with 1 subwoofer and 2 speakers up on the front. Dive ladder again on this side and the other side as well. So 3 dive ladders total, 1 at the bow and 1 on either side. This I think is a really neat option. As you'll see inside this closet, it'll be all closed up. You'll have your house batteries underneath, your battery switches, your inverter. This client requested a 1500 inverter, so you have 120 volt inside the boat. You can power a fridge or normal appliances that you make. And at the same time, we'll have some more shelves in here for storage for the crew, and this will be all locked away so clients don't get to access it, and this is all hidden away. And also, if anything breaks, it's very easy to access and service. So right here we have the U-shaped bar, really large bar. It will be covered with a sunbrella cover on the outside. You have plenty of room here for a cooler, for some ice, and fridge, for some a wine bottle, chiller, for example. On this side, there's a table, again, that will have a sunbrella skirt on it, and it will also have some little rails on top so nothing just slides up. This is great if you want to display some food, or if you have a DJ that comes and plays on board. You have some plugs right here to connect, some charging, USB charging ports as well. Really great outer space. Dive ladder again on this side. Right here, this is where we hide our fuel tank. There's one on either side. This is a standard on this boat is 15-gallon fuel tanks that gets hidden away in here. I'll let you check out the head right here. This client went with our standard head. So the standard head is actually mounted midship. When you mount it midship, you'll get a gravity-fed head. This is a really good option. Because if you like, the waste goes directly under inside the holding tank, and then it gets pumped out of marina, or you can have a macerator just to pump it out overboard. The great thing about this is that the head is very simple. It's not electrical. It's all just fresh water or raw water that will flush your waste down. So there's nothing that's going to clog it. If you have plants that will throw away, or even a bottle cap or a lot of toilet paper, it's not going to get clogged. If you decide to mount it on a corner or somewhere else that is not midship, you'll get electrical head with a macerator integrated. You can see right here also, this is our stern platform. So this client requested this because they anchor, come over here. They sometimes anchor to the stern because they'll beach their boat. So here, plenty of room to throw an anchor, tie it up on a big bollard, and at the same time, you have this ladder to go up on the roof. Again, this is not for client, this is only for the crew to access whatever you have stored up on top, being floats, life floats, inflatable kayaks, that kind of thing. All right, I'm gonna get back inside and we're gonna check out the helm. Really good. A lot of room. 16 feet blue gives you airflow space if you have a party boat, if you have, boats for wedding, tours, you can have a lot of different options in your layout. So you can see really a lot of space. Standard on our boats is this little step up for the helm. This gives you a really great commanding view. Even if you have 50 people partying around you, you get to see all four corners of your boat. You'll see right over them. You have fly-by-wire controls. The helm, all your switches are going to be right here. Your audio, GPS, engine control, LED light, 2 bilge, floats, and alarms. And you start and stop. Some more storage inside the helm seats. And lastly, this client also went with the party lights, the party LED lights. There are on the rails under mounted. Well, that's it for this tour, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Again, when this boat will be finished, we'll do another video down in Miami on the water, and then we'll also review the performance of the boat. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach us through our website. Thank you very much, and have a good one.